Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my morning cleaning routine. I have found that getting these things done in the morning really helps my day get started on the right track. By the end of this video, you'll feel motivated to create a morning cleaning routine too. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. I don't usually have too much to clean up in the morning because I do a nighttime cleaning routine. I'll link that in the description if you haven't already seen it. But the first thing I like to do is load all of our breakfast dishes into the dishwasher. I like to do this right away no matter what. That way the dishes don't pile up in the sink throughout the day. After the dishes, I like to wipe down the table. I'm just using this Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface everyday cleaner. Breakfast gets pretty messy with a toddler. I'm sure all you mamas can relate. And if you have any tips on how to make mealtime a little easier, be sure to leave them in the comments down below.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
Then for my countertops, I use this called Dray countertop cleaner. It smells like fall and is super fresh. It's probably my favorite cleaner. The best way that I have found to clean counters is to go back and forth in an S shape, starting at the back and working your way forward. Going back and forth helps you to avoid missing spots, and starting in the back and working your way forward helps you to move all the crumbs to the front. Then I like to do what's called an eye level test, where you crouch down and you look at the counter eye level versus looking at it from a bird's eye view. This really helps you to see any crumbs that you have missed. My countertops are really great at hiding crumbs and dirt, so it looks really clean at first, but every time when I do that eye level test, I always seem to find things. Use it on your countertops and let me know how it worked for you.
Paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights, paint the skies, only you.
The last thing that I like to do before going upstairs is to sweep and mop my floors. I do this in my nighttime routine, but somehow between nighttime and morning they get dirty again. And I'm using my Cray spray mop from Amazon. I got it for $12.99, so it was really inexpensive, and I like it because it came with 2 washable microfiber pads and a refillable bottle, so you can put in whatever cleaner that you want. I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray and diluted it with water. So after all of my downstairs chores are completed, I move upstairs to our master bathroom. I put away all of my makeup from this morning. Wipe down my bathroom counters every day because if I let it build up, it's a lot more work to clean it than if I were to just wipe it down each day. So I'm just using this Dollar Tree washcloth that I got, and I just get it damp with water and wipe down my counters and my sink and make sure that I'm getting any toothpaste or makeup or anything that might have spilled when I was getting ready that morning.
Make it last forever. Stop in time.
I like to finish off my morning with going into our room and making our bed. I've been trying to do this every morning. It's a habit I have to force myself to do because it's not a habit I developed growing up. But I feel so much better when my bed is made. Comment down below and let me know if your parents made you make your bed when you were a kid or if it's something that you had to force yourself to do as an adult.
Hold tight, dripping lights, paint the skies, all because of you.
And that is basically it for my morning cleaning routine. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I'm going to be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway, and I would love to have you part of our family.
Lights.